Hello students. Now today we will study that how to create the internal link on the web page. So see, this is on the notepad I have written the code for the internal linking. As you can see, the first line here, this is the HTML open tag. Now after that I have written the head. This is the head open and head close, and the title I have written hypertext reference. So the body background color I have set light yellow. Heading I have used heading to label input devices. See the paragraph. Click the following links to check the details. Okay. Now anchor tag I have used for creating an internal link. So this anchor tag we use in a pair form. First anchor tag we use here to write the link name. Here see hash. So hash indicates the href value starts with hash, and hash indicates that it is an internal link, not external, internal. So in the anchor tag we use the href attribute that is the hypertext reference, and the value we have set hash keyboard means the browser will search this link name, this title keyboard on the web page. And this keyboard between the anchor tag open and close, I have written the text keyboard. Now this will act as a hyperlink. It will be underlined in blue color. You will find. Now anchor tag, another anchor tag href, another link I have created for the scanning system. Has a scanning system, as you see scanning system. Third anchor tag href has OCR optical character reader, and the fourth one is the OMR optical mark reader. Okay. Now for 4 anchor href we also use 4 anchor name attribute with name attribute. So this name attribute is the place or you can say the link which the browser will search. So the browser will search this name keyword. So the name is keyboard. So where it will be found, that paragraph, below that paragraph will be displayed up on the web page. Now here see anchor tag name equals to keyboard. So this keyboard is matches with this keyboard. See that whatever the link name you have given here, that should be written as a value of the name attribute. Okay, don't make any changes there. It should match, otherwise it will not work. So whatever the name you have given the link name, that should match with this attribute of the name, value of the name attribute. Now see, the paragraph is written for the keyboard. A keyboard is the main input device that lets you input a data and execute commands given to the computer. So it has some additional keys categorized into 4 main areas. First is the typing keypad that I have written, not all written, numeric keypad, function keys, editing keypad, all that I have not written. So just wanted to show you that how it works. Only that I have written, only one typing keypad. So if some others also he wants to write, here I have written. Okay. So second also we can give. So if you want to write second, after typing keypad we can also write numeric keypad. So what you write? Numeric keypad. So you can also write numeric keypad. So that also we have written numeric keypad. Okay. So just numeric keypad. So what does it includes the number keys from 0 to 9. What it includes? It includes so that we also write it includes number. It includes number keys from 0 to 9. All these things it includes. Okay. So some third also we can write. Third one also. That in the third one you can see function keys. Which type of keys? Other keys on the keyboard are function keys. So we can also write the function keys. Okay. And we can put the colon. And this function keys, there are 12 function keys which perform special tasks. How many keys are there? 12. So that also we can mention here. Are there are 12. There are 12 function keys which perform a special task. Which which perform special tasks. Okay, like this also. So control plus a save it. Now I have saved this also. Now you can move. Similarly I have written for the scanning system. This is scanning system. So are the eyes of computer that read words, pictures or numbers directly from the page and convert them into a form which the computer, you can understand here, into the form which the computer can understand and display them directly on the monitor. So scanner allows you to save a printed picture. So let me scroll to the left. Just okay, now see. So here I've written that scanner allows you to save a printed picture and text as a file on the PC. Now after that, this keyboard I have, this paragraph I have copy and pasted to make the content more. So it will be easy to see the behavior of the internal link. That's why I have written. That's why I have pasted the same thing. Now you can see in the OCR also anchor name equals to OCR. So browser will search this link name and it will found that will display this paragraph which is written under the OCRs up to this line. So this again optical character recognition. I have mentioned this paragraph. Here it is used to read the characters from a printed paper into the computer. Now the shape of the character is recognized by the OCR with the help of the light source in conjunction with the photoelectric cells. And after that I have pasted the same first paragraph. Okay. So you can write about it. After that I have mentioned the here see anchor tag name equals to MR, the fourth one. So 4 anchor tag href we have used and 4 anchor tag name also we have used, and we use the anchor tag name as a value link name equals to link name where you are writing the paragraph for that keyword. Here for OMR I am writing, so I have written this anchor tag name equals to MR and just after that I have written the paragraph for the optical mark reader. As you can see, it is an excellent device for checking the documents and multiple choice type questions. And then we have mentioned C. Now this BR are used to change the line. Now body close and HTML close. So this entire file is saved and now we are going to, now I am going to execute it. So see how it will work. So let me minimize it. Now that already I have executed, let me close this. So some additional change also I have done, so let me close it and I will search this file internal linking.html I have saved. So I will write, see this is internal linking, that is the HTML file the browser you are seeing. I can after clicking I can execute it. Now see that is executed. See you the web page, see you can see the web page, the background to this web page is light yellow and some this paragraph I have written first is heading input devices which I have mentioned in the code. You can see input devices. So let me show you that thing also here. Then you can understand. Let me okay. So you can see it here also. Now you can see this input devices. This is the heading which I have written with the H2 input devices that you can see here. Now this paragraph which I have written, click the following link to check the details that you can see, and 3 line spaces due to the 3 times I have used here. You can see the BR tag. So BR tag you can see 3 times, 2 times I have written here. So that BR tag you can see it. Now after that. After that you can see the this highlighted, this is the link and this is the link which is blue color and underlined. So this is created, 4 link is created with the help of this anchor tag href hash keyboard and keyboard. This hash indicates that this link is the internal link. So when I click on this link, now see you can see the changes. Internal link keyboard is up only. Now see it will come up. Now see the keyboard come on the top of the web page. So as I click on it, so again if you move there, click on the scanning system of click on the OCR. Now see, at this time OCR paragraph is not here, but I want to read the OCR. So here now see OCR will come on the top. Now you can read this paragraph. This is called the internal linking on the same web page. You can go back also. Okay, by clicking here. Again, you can click on the scanning system. That is the here OMR also you can click. Now see OMR will get. So like this you can see. Okay. So like this the internal link works. You can see the code how I have done. Now you can also create a external link. For external linking, we don't need to write this anchor tag two times. Only this anchor tag is used, and on here in the external linking, we don't use hash. Hash is not needed in the external linking. Okay. Now some other thing also, see background. I have set light yellow. Now some other color you can use it. Some here some make the changes. So background idea was not good, so what he wants to make green. Okay, so let's set it green. Control plus S, save it and refresh. Now see it is green. Okay, so text color also we can change. You can make it red also if you want. So again you have to go there. In the body you write, see background color you set green. Now you can use the text green, text red, text. So what you write in the quotation mark? Text red. So text red you write, so it will appear red. Now control plus S, save it, and after that you refresh it the page, web page. Now you can see all the text on the web page will appear in the red color. So it is not looking good. Okay. So like this we do it. So now you have seen also that how we do it, how we execute it. So in the next class we will study that how to create the external link, that I also will show you. So this is all for today. Thank you for the attention.